just looking at Auntie Karen's Facebook profile. Eddie Coquet, pejsek. Hele, pejsek, jaký tam je. To je pejsek, viď? Abs. Koukej. Teta Karen, viď? Ta má pejska, koukej. To je pejsek, viď, hezký. What a beautiful dog. Abs. Koukej, čerti. What does a dog do? Good. Isn't that a beautiful dog? Look, you're Auntie Karen with the dog. Look, you're Auntie Karen with the dog, with Abs. Hello. Smelling tulips, eh? Look. Hey, you're Auntie Karen with another dog. Dallas. No, Bailey, I think. And this is your crazy Auntie Karen. There's a bit of a reflection. Isn't she a pretty girl? Isn't she a pretty girl?